Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll show you the difference between Airtable, ClickUp, and Smartsuite. So for ClickUp, one of its features is you can view everything within an overview that you can customize. Tasks can also be listed to help you get organized. Status for each task can also be edited and can be compiled in a folder. More specific tasks can be made using subtasks and checklists, which can be nested to be more organized in your projects. There are different ways to view your project, such as list, board, boxes, calendar, Gantt chart. You can embed, edit forms, edit content collaboratively, communicate with each assignee, check their activity, and so on. And you can also view project mind map, assignee workload, tabulated task, location, and use of whiteboard for concepts and ideas. Dashboard can be crafted to check your project progress, which is also customizable. Time management can easily be done using their timesheets and time features. Meanwhile, for Airtable, all data from Airtable can be synced and can be organized and labeled using their available templates. Automations can also speed up your task. Edits made by the group can be seen and are synchronized. You can also perform administrative controls, granular permissions, and scalable architecture. Smartsuite is a good balance of ClickUp's complexity and Airtable's straightforward features. If you're particular in having a systematic tracking system, but also want an intuitive interface, much like Google Workspace, then Smartsuite is perfect for you. You may check activity history to know what your teammates are working on and what changes they have made. It has automations to check the availability status of team members, view records in calendar format. You can also have data viewed through cards and charts. Collaboration and conversations within this project management platform is also available. Data and files can be imported and edited within the platform, and they also have their own spreadsheets. Field types and file management tools in this platform can make projects more organized. Map view can be used not only for tracking locations but also for sending directions. Member directory is also important if you are working with a large team. Page Designer is one of the unique features of this platform. Permissions up to team level, up to the higher ups, can also be managed. Time tracking is also available, and all projects can be viewed in a timeline, Kanban view, grid, and dashboards, which you can customize to your liking. And that's it. That's the difference between Airtable, ClickUp, and Smartsuite. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.